So the highly contagious COVID-19 virus creates a real quandary. You want to sell your house, but at the same time, you don't want to let people in who might bring the virus in and get you sick. At the same time, buyers need to be able to walk into a house, look all around, get a feel for it, touch it, see it, smell it. You know what it is. People cannot really buy houses sight unseen. Hey, this is Dale Shin, realtor in the Los Angeles area. I make it easy for you to buy or sell a house in Los Angeles. If you're trying to sell your house right now, 3D virtual tours can help you get your house sold. And what you may not know is that you can make a 3D virtual tour of your home right now for free. Now, if you don't know what a 3D virtual tour is, it's where you can take 360-degree photos of the interior of a house, upload it to a special website that'll make these photos into a 3D space that you can virtually walk through. I just found out though, you don't necessarily have to have a 360-degree camera to create 3D virtual tours. Zillow has an app that you can download onto your iPhone. It's our iPhone only right now, no Android app. And with that app, you can create a 360-degree virtual tour that you could upload to Zillow to be on your listing. And how it works is really simple. You just take your iPhone, you download their app, you get it started, and then you pick the different rooms that you want to take the picture of, and then it'll guide you through how to take the photo. It'll kind of give you an on-screen guide, and you just follow it all along, and basically you're creating one 360-degree panoramic shot with your iPhone. And you can go around to take all the different rooms in your house, and once you're done, you can retake it too if you make a mistake. But once you've uploaded all the rooms, or I should say once you've taken a panoramic photo of all the rooms, you can upload it to Zillow. It'll process the photos and create a 3D virtual tour space and notify you when it's done, because it does take some time to process these images and form this virtual tour space. So if you're a FSBO, meaning for sale by owner, you're selling the house yourself without hiring a real estate agent, this is perfect. Because Zillow is one of the most popular real estate websites, as I'm sure you know. A lot of people start their search there looking for homes, and it's a great source of information. And you can list your house for sale as a for sale by owner on there for free, no charge. You can upload photos, you can write your description, write about what you really like about it, and it'll automatically upload the details of your house, because Zillow has, as I'm sure you're aware, detailed files about all the houses in the area. And if it doesn't, you can insert details that you know about as well. So it might not have, like if you have a fireplace, or if you have a crawl space or attic or things like that. So those kind of details you can add in. And you can upload a 3D virtual tour using their Zillow 3D Home app, all for free. So if you're a for sale by owner, Zillow is like your dream. The only downside though to Zillow's 3D Home Tour is that it's not a true 360 degree. So you're taking a 360 degree panoramic shot of the inside of your house, and so it's very horizontal. It's on this one plane only. You cannot look up or down as you can with photos taken by a 360 degree camera. If you take photos with those, you can really look up at the ceiling, see the details there, and also look at the floor and see details there. There are stats out there showing that listings with 3D virtual tours get more views from potential buyers, so it could help you get your house exposed to more buyers, which will create more interest and possibly get your house sold faster, and if not, for more money. This is Dale Shin, realtor in the Los Angeles area. I make it easy for you to buy or sell a home in Los Angeles. If you found this information helpful, please click like and share with a friend you know who's interested in finding out more about 3D virtual home tours and how they could get one for free. Click subscribe to stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.